Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Quick review, planning out my day and looking at Costco. Ticker symbol COST. I'm a swing trader looking at the tops and bottoms and then trying to capture the trend in between. We have earnings for Costco coming up this week, and if I could catch those two trends, I would have made some serious bank. This is a zigzag indicator. It predicts these tops and bottoms perfectly, but it does so by repainting itself and looking to the future for the data. We don't have that ability. We can't wait to print these out. I use a 3 indicator strategy. When the MACD is above the 0, the stochastic RSI is above the 80 and come back around, and when this RSI is above the 70 and come back around, and that is a time when it says to go short. And when all three occur at the same time, that's the 3 indicator strategy. I have it out on my Discord, and that gives you a signal. These do not repaint themselves. So you could use these as a guide, MACD, stochastic RSI, and the RSI. And there's lots of other indicators and TradingView. Hundreds and hundreds of them. You gotta find a couple that you like. Right now, the RSI is below the 30 and has not come around. The stochastic has not come around, but the MACD is below the 0 line. So we have one indication to go long, and these are all indicators waiting to go long. We had a gap a few days ago in Costco, and that's because of Walmart and Target. Their earnings weren't so good, and I'm not thinking that this is going to be favorable for the future. Growth is slowing. We have an inflation that's affecting these stores. And by the way, I think Costco is going to do well because it's a discount store. And people are going to go to a discount store, especially when they're having trouble paying the bills. Inflation and recession is looming. And Costco, I think, will recover quite nicely. But it's going to have some effect this week. And the reason why I believe is that Costco has been overvalued for a long, long time. So I'm saying more downside. What do you say? As I said, this is a quick video. I have a little spreadsheet in Google that I scrape FinBiz data, and I've done that for Costco. Of course, everybody knows what Costco is. It's a discount retailer and grocery chain. But I made a spreadsheet so that it would help me do some analysis. And today I'm looking at the PEG ratio, which a PEG ratio of greater than 1 is an indicator that the stock is overvalued. Now, the target price for this is $5.80 according to FinBiz, and it's currently trading at $4.16. So there's some room according to FinBiz of where it's going to go for the next year. Now, this might be very true. Like I said, I'm optimistic for the year, and definitely for the decade for Costco. But I do think we're going to have some downside for the next 3 or 4 or 5 months. Looking at Simply Wall Street and the Snowflake, this company is healthy. It has a past history of that's healthy, and it is undervalued according to Simply Wall Street. Earnings are expected to grow, but this is slower than it was in the past, and the market's not going to like that. Seeking Alpha just put an article out, and as I said, this stock is down based on the fact of Walmart and Target. Inflation, I mentioned that as well. Some downward revisions on the target price. And if you were purchasing this stock, this is 29 times the earnings. And this is one of the reasons why I feel this stock is overvalued. Earnings, is this stock going down this way or this way? Is this the bottom? Or do we have a ways to go? And hey, I would love you to put your comments below. Tell me if you think it's a short play or a long play. I think it's a short play for the next 3 to 6 months. And I'll use an option spread, a bear call spread, in order to make a play on this. As always, do your own due diligence. Learn how to do this and learn how to win. Happy trading. We'll catch you on the flip.